vision is the art of seeing the invisible. We at Aksh believe that creating a better future requires passion and innovation. Our pursuit of excellence has enthused us to achieve inconceivable heights. Since its inception, Aksh has already achieved many extraordinary milestones. Today, it is a public listed company in India with 3 state-of-the-art large manufacturing facilities of optic fiber cables and FRP rods in Fibre and Rango cities in Rajasthan state of India, and set up new manufacturing facility of FRP rods in Dubai. Exporting optic fiber cables and FRP rods to 56 countries across 6 continents, Aksh has broken all geographical boundaries. It is a matter of great pride that Aksh has connected every village of Bhutan within 3 years with 2,600 kilometers of optic fiber cables. Aksh has been awarded prestigious contract from BTL, a listed company in Mauritius. Aksh has deployed and installed triple play GPON FTTH network to cover 85% population of Mauritius. Aksh has already laid down 800 kilometers fiber network with latest HDD technology for underground cabling and set up state-of-the-art NOC network operating center for high-speed internet and IPTV services. Today, Aksh has become one-stop solution in the world, right from manufacturing optic fiber cables to deploying FTTH networks, running IPTV services and e-governance services. E-Mitra is an ambitious e-governance initiative of Government of Rajasthan. It is implemented using public-private partnership PPP model to provide various G2C and B2C services under one roof to give citizens a single-window multi-service experience. New government plans to nurture a digital India and promises to make every household and individual digitally empowered. Government has laid out blueprint to connect every village and small town of India with high-speed broadband network to provide e-governance and a plethora of services. Aksh has an ambition and the expertise to be part of the plan. Aksh realized its potential long back and has already taken lead by running 400 e-Mitra kiosks in Rajasthan state and set an ambitious plan to open 4,000 new e-Mitra kiosks in next 1 year. More than 1.8 million people are using Aksh e-Mitra services from 400 kiosks every month and doing transaction of over $400 million. Many G2C services can be availed from one-stop Aksh e-Mitra kiosk like Aadhaar card enrollment, application deposit for domicile, caste, solvency, character certificate, deposit of payment for electricity, water, telephone bills, ticket booking for railway, airlines and Rajasthan roadways, recruitment form and fee depositions for PSU and government jobs, cash deposit and withdrawal up to Rs 10,000 through banking kiosk services. Citizen can also avail B2C services like purchase or payment of insurance policies and new insurance policies, purchase or recharge of mobile, DTH and IPTV connection, OPD registration for hospitals, movie tickets. Before e-Mitra services, consumers had to travel a lot to avail various services. Now consumers can find one-stop Aksh e-Mitra kiosk in close vicinity of their residence. They can get their work done within 5 to 10 minutes without any hassle. It not only saves traveling time but also a lot of money.
More than 10,000 people per day are visiting our kiosk for availing the services, and in a month we are doing more than 6 lakh transactions for various type of services at our kiosk. Earlier, the citizens need to go to the government offices for availing the services. Now they need not to go for the government offices. They can avail the services from their nearby kiosk, and this is saving not only their money but also travel time.
To deliver prompt services, the process has been made easy. Consumers have to fill up a form of the required service and hand it over to the kiosk executive for further processing. Photographs, fingerprints, eye scans of the citizens are recorded for all important transactions. Data of all transactions are stored in back-end Aksh server for safekeeping. After completion of work, consumer walks away with a digitally signed receipt and a smile on his face.
जो मैं यहाँ पैसे निकलवाने या डिपॉजिट करवाने आता हूँ तो मेरे घर की यूटिलिटी जो बिल होते हैं, पानी का बिल है, लाइट का बिल है, BSNL का बिल है, मैं वो यहाँ जमा करवा देता हूँ। पिछली बार मैंने अपने फैमिली का अपना आधार भी यहीं से बनवाया, उनके अकाउंट भी यही BOB कियोस्क पे यही ओपन हो गया अकाउंट। काफ़ी सारी सुविधाएं मिली। जो टाइम ज़्यादा लगता था वो टाइम कम लगने लग गया, लंबी लाइन में लगना पड़ता था वो नहीं लगना पड़ता, जाते ही जल्दी से काम हो जाता है।
बिजली का बिल जमा कराने आया था और बिजली का बिल यहाँ जमा करा दिया मैंने और काफ़ी कम समय में काम हो गया, 10 मिनट में मेरा काम हो गया। खुलने से पहले तो किसी जैसे बिजली के डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर जाना पड़ता था, वहाँ लंबी लाइन में लगना पड़ता था और काफ़ी मकसद के बाद मतलब 3-3 घंटे तक वहाँ पे काम नंबर आता था। यहाँ 10 से 15 मिनट के अंदर नंबर आ जाता है।
Aksh is working on environment-friendly technology and solar power to save fuel and electricity. Aksh eMitra team extends full training support to franchisee partners to deliver efficient and prompt services to the customers.
कभी भी जब भी कोई नई सर्विस लॉन्च होती है तो हमें आकर ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। अक्ष की टीम जो है वो आकर हमें गाइड करती है कि किस तरह से हम ऑनलाइन काम कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से पब्लिक से रिलेशन रख सकते हैं, पब्लिक को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं और किस तरह अपना काम जल्दी से जल्दी ख़त्म कर सकते हैं।
Aksh is providing immense opportunities to franchisee partners to earn up to 1 lakh per month through various service delivery and advertising models.
I decided to take eMitra, Aksh eMitra, and I took, and now I am earning more than 1 lakh per month. Now I am so happy that I am getting a good money.
पिछले 2 साल से अक्ष से जुड़ी हूँ और eMitra चला रही हूँ। अक्ष eMitra ज्वाइन करने के बाद से मुझे जो मेरी इनकम बेस इनकम थी उससे मेरे को 25-30 हज़ार रुपये मिले हैं। खाली वो काम ही नहीं होता है, सोशल कांटेक्ट भी बढ़े हैं, तो उसकी वजह से लोगों को भी फ़ायदा है और मुझे काम करने में संतुष्टि मिलती है।
अक्ष से फ्रेंचाइज लेने में बहुत से फ़ायदे रहे हैं मेरे। मैं पहले छोटा सा ही बिज़नेस करता था, लेकिन अक्ष से फ्रेंचाइज लेने के बाद मैंने eMitra कियोस्क जो स्टार्ट किया है उसमें करीबन आज मेरे अक्ष के थ्रू कम से कम 3 कियोस्क और हैं। मेरे इस वक्त पर्टिकुलर जो है अक्ष से लगभग 20 से 30 हज़ार रुपये मंथली आ रहे हैं और इसके अलावा मैंने कई जो है बेरोज़गार लड़कों को रोज़गार भी दे रखा है। लगभग 10-12 लड़के काम कर रहे हैं मेरे कियोस्क पे।
Major thrust area of present government is to make e-governance the backbone for good governance. Government can access vital records and data from Aksh eMitra server like national ID cards, passports, electricity and telephone bills, land records, agriculture-related services, pension. Government is running many subsidies and benefit schemes for the citizens like widow pension, child scholarship, LPG, मनरेगा etc.
अक्ष eMitra की सर्विस शुरू होने के बाद जो डिजिटल पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन का जो कार्य हमारे यहाँ था वो बहुत ही सरल और सुगम हो गया, जिससे आम जनता को भी बहुत सुविधा है और हमें भी बहुत सुविधा है।
The key mantra of e-governance is citizen first. Government's aim for the e-governance is to ensure transparent, smart, seamless, secure and authentic flow of information, thus extending fair and unbiased services to public at remote and inconvenient geographical locations, crossing the inter-departmental barriers, playing major role in e-governance service. Today, Aksh is building nations with fiber network. And we believe that the story never ends.